So guys, this is who I'm waiting. Kwani hapa ni wapi? Mimi niko Benaka ameniambia hapa ni Masai. Pole.
This is Akakano.
So, I'm here.
You're rolling, eh?
Yeah. So guys, I knew this is Masai market. I'm told there is Masai market somewhere there.
Yeah, this is the Akakano. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So we were waiting for him. I've been just seeing you on the internet, but here we are.
Now you can see me.
Yeah, welcome to my channel.
Thank you. Thank you.
So let's go. Guys, my camera is not doing justice, but guys, look at the beautiful side of nature and the feeling. The breeze is everything, guys. The breeze is everything.
Travels far and wide in her caring presence. We all abide. Every bond she makes a treasure to keep. A lovely traveler, is soul so deep. It's Oloolua shining bright in a world of chaos. She's our light with kindness in her heart and love to bestow.
So guys, this road is familiar. Maybe you have seen it before if you watched my giraffe center video. Maybe you have seen me on this road. This is not my first time on this road. I went here when I was going to Giraffe Center and the one opposite Giraffe Center. I cannot remember the name. There's another nature safari walk. Yes.
Safari walk?
I don't know. Yeah, you will see it. You will see it when we arrive there. It's just opposite. It's just opposite Giraffe Center. So let's keep watching, guys. Let's keep watching to find out where we are going. Alright, guys. I'm very sure you're going to love this amazing place, especially if you like nature walks and nature ambience. With me here, I have JW.
Yes, JW. Johnny's Ford. JWTV.
You changed your name.
Yes, from John Ombo.
Yeah.
But John Ombo is still involved because JW is John Ombo. Yes, so
right.
Let me turn.
Johnny's Ford. JWTV.
We know you from the crew behind a lot of soap operas here in Kenya and TV shows.
What do I say?
Tell us more about that.
Just a mere camera operator on film set here in Kenya.
Yeah.
Yes, and I thank God for enabling me do what I've done so far.
And if you guys were there on my part, you remember the amazing voice that was there. Here he is. Thank you so much for the song you sang for me on my monetization and 3K milestone. That was epic. Thank you.
Anytime.
Yeah.
The pleasure was mine.
So when did you notice that you have a passion in this sector? Because I think it goes the same way. You're operating with those tools. If you're not on the behind the camera taking those amazing shots, you are dealing with the guitar and all that.
Someone told me something.
Yeah.
A boy should have toys.
All right.
So there are three things that a boy should have.
Yes.
A toy car, a dog, and of course.
And you have a lot of dogs.
And of course, a camera.
Wow! It's one of the toys.
Yes, a camera should be one of the toys. So I've had passion for photography since way back when people are doing film photography.
All right.
So apart from that, I also love music. Kamba, we love music.
It's not a film. Yes. You guys love music.
Yes. So if a Kamba cannot play a guitar, a Kamba will always play it with his mouth.
Yeah, that is very
music
true.
Is enough. So basically, I've grown up loving music. I've grown up loving photography. I've grown up loving cars, vintage cars. I've have passion in almost everything.
You're
I love
all
life.
trades. That's
I love
nice.
life.
That's a good spirit.
Yes.
That's a good way to face life.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like your dogs.
You want one?
I don't know if I can maintain. Hey, you really take good care of them.
Think about it.
I'll think about it. What breeds do you have?
I have in every dog that I own there is a German Shepherd in it.
You
What do I mean by that? The style of my puppies is a German Shepherd, long-coat German Shepherd, which happens to be my first trained dog. That's the first dog I took time. Is a COVID project. You see.
You train them yourself?
Yes, I train my own dogs.
Wow.
Yes, I learned from YouTube and other trainers. So I train my own dogs, and then from there I got a mix of Saint Bernard and German Shepherd. That's my dam now, the mother to my puppies. And then from there I got a mix of a Rottweiler and a German Shepherd. The reason I have a German Shepherd is because in every dog is because German Shepherds are trainable. They are, if I would say, they are loyal dogs, and royal for that matter.
Wow.
Yes, and very, very, very intelligent. That's why mostly police use them. That's why they are used as police dogs mostly. So I always find myself getting a dog that has a German Shepherd in it.
How many dogs in total do you have?
Right now in my compound I have 3 plus 3, 6 dogs right now.
Wow.
Yes, 3 of them are puppies. 4 to 5,
Yeah,
almost
I
5
think I
months.
saw the 2 puppies.
Almost 5 months. 3 of them, almost 5 months old, and the 3 fully grown dogs.
Wow.
Yes.
That's nice. It was nice to. Yeah. I saw them on your live stream. That's why I know about them. You remember that day when you were live?
Yes, my dogs are part of my
Your
life. So I find them. You'll always see them in my videos most of the times.
Wow, that's nice. So that's John Wambo for you guys. Yeah, check him out.
Johnny's World.
Johnny's World.
Johnny's World.
I'm used to your format. Yeah,
So Johnny's World JWTV. Johnny's World JWTV. I found it easier. There are people who are finding it so hard to say Wambua.
Yeah, but that is.
You go to someone's live and they cannot mention your name. They just say John.
JW.
They say John or JW.
Yeah.
So I had to get rid of the Wambua and make it Johnny's World JWTV.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, that's nice. So let's check John Wambua out and find out more on his channel, because he showcases some areas around
So,
where there's
Jamambo,
wildlife.
tunajaribu kwenda.
Yeah, your area is amazing.
Thank you so
Guys,
much.
I don't want to be a spoiler.
Oloolua.
Check Johnny's World JWTV.
Hata sijui, unajua tunatumia
And you're
Google Map
going
na
to
naona ni
like
kama
it
inatu.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, you can guess where we are. Just listen to the ambience. You can hear the birds chirping and look at the environment where we are in, and I'm having some amazing people here.
What's up, everybody? My good name is Lydia Simba, and I'm so happy today to be appearing on is it on or in?
Somewhere there.
English is not my first
It's not
language.
Englishing.
It's not Englishing. I'm so happy to be appearing on Anne's channel today, and we're gonna have some amazing activities lined up for you.
Yeah, it's nice to
So
meet you.
welcome. Nice to meet you too, Anne. We've been talking for the longest time
Yeah,
online, and today actually, guys, we are meeting for the very first time,
I'm telling you.
and it's like we've known each other forever.
Yeah, we didn't even introduce ourselves. We were like, hey, because we've been talking online. The power of social media, guys.
Yes.
Power of social media.
Yeah.
And on other news, we have our host in Nairobi.
Kobe.
Hey, hi guys. How are you doing? Kobe over here. Kobe, not that is my name. Yeah, Kobe is just a. You understand what I mean?
So let's.
So guys, thank you so much, and for introducing me to your channel again and again. This is the usual face, Kobe
This is your
Nata.
home.
Yeah. And guys, you'll get used to this face, yeah? So we are here in Karen, and we want to explore the forest, our Oloolua forest. So Let's go, guys.
Yes, guys, we are in Oloolua Nature Trail, and
Yeah.
we have a brother here.
Yo, the only man in camouflage.
Yeah,
Johnny Sword, JWTV.
yeah. Check him out. He's doing amazing job there. Thank you for showing us around. It's Kajiado County.
This is
Still?
Kajiado County, yes.
Yeah. Around there, I will not say much. Just go and check JW Johnny's World JWTV.
Yes.
And you will thank me later. A lot of nature going on here, so I am very sure you are resonating with where we are going.
Yes.
Because
yes,
I think
yes.
you love nature.
Yes, this is
Yeah.
my life. This is my life.
I'm
As you can
telling
see, I'm
nature
already
is
in
amazing.
camouflage.
Yeah, ready
Guys,
for the nature.
Yes, for the nature walk. Huh?
Yeah. So
Yes.
guys, watch this video until the end to find out what we are going to share on Oloolua Nature Trail. Okay, guys? Remember to like, subscribe, leave me a comment after you watch this video until the end to see how beautiful this amazing natural place is. Guys, there's some butterflies here. Look at the beautiful view. This is the beautiful view that there's a lot of people. I think a lot of people love nature. You see, all these people are in this place. Okay, so let's tag along. Let's go, guys. So guys, this is the dress code of the day. We are here for a nature walk, so I feel comfortable in this. Let's keep going, guys. Let's keep going. So guys, this is the entrance of Oloolua. We are at the entrance. This is Oloolua Nature Trail, and these are the charges. We have a lot of students back there, that's why I didn't record from behind. Yes, guys, so these are the charges for this place for everyone. So there we go, guys. So every place has their rules, and so is this place. They have their own rules there in Swahili and English. Swahili is Kenya's national language. So it's good when you're going somewhere, you learn about the rules and the regulations of that place. So this is. So guys, the payments can be cashless, so you can use this QR. And yes, guys. So because we are living in a cashless society, you can use your eCitizen app to pay here. All right.
201. 201.
Okay. Redirect to eCitizen. Yeah. Hapana? Mimi sina pesa kwa M-Pesa, niko na cash.
Unaitwa nani? Betsy.
So these are the requirements and cost services. In case you need the map is here, so that you know how you are going. You can never be lost because there is a map. This is the view. Let's start walking, guys. Let's start walking. The walk begins. Beautiful view. We have a river here. JW, which river is this?
It's I think Bagadi. Yeah, this is Bagadi River.
All right. There's a bridge here. I love this view. Look at the purple flowers. So this river goes this. Where does it go to? Does it go to connect with another river?
I'm really not sure.
All right. Kobe. Today you're going to work out. So we are advised not to litter, and this is an entry as well. Let's go up the hill. So this trail goes to 10 kilometers. Let me show you. It goes to 10 kilometers and 5 kilometers this way. So I think we're going to go with that trail. Do you know the benefits of morning walk? So people are encouraged to take morning walks and all that. Taking a walk in the morning has a lot of health bonuses. Yeah, so guys, it's 1 p.m. We started the journey early, but it's 1 p.m. We're going to ace this, guys. We're not taking it in the morning, but we're going to ace it. I love the chirping and the tweeting of birds. That makes me so happy. Being surrounded by nature, it feels amazing. So guys, this is what this is some more information about this place. Opens at 8 and closes at 5:30. So this way we take the 5 and 10 kilometers. All right. So Lydia, how many kilometers do you want us to take?
I want us to do 10 kilometers, cause why not?
Lydia is giving us a challenge. You know what? I'm game. Let's go. So we are going this way, yeah? We're supposed to go this way?
Yeah.
Kobe.
This way.
So there are rules. No smoking, no alcohol, no single use plastic, do not litter.
Oh, you guys, you go there.
I love this. Take away nothing but fresh air. Leave nothing but footprints. That is amazing. Taking care of nature. All right, guys. So here they're saying, thank you for visiting Kenya Institute Primate Research, Oloolua Nature Trail. Let's go, guys. So guys, we are all set for 10 kilometers. Let us go, guys. Nature is beautiful.
When you hear Oloolua, you remember that song for Oloolua.
Yeah. The Nigerian, you know it.
It's on my mind.
Guys, the ambience here is amazing, and the breeze, oh my goodness, the breeze, the breeze is awesome. Look up there. We're shielded by an umbrella of trees. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing. Look at the sun.
I don't know.
That is my problem also.
How are you today?
Very well.
We are following the lead.
Okay.
Yeah, but all the best.
So we are taking that amazing walk, but we are taking it in this awesome nature trail, Oloolua Nature Trail. It feels nice, it feels different and refreshing at the same time. And refreshing, the important word is the refreshing part. It feels amazing. You can hear different birds, sounds of different birds, chirping and tweeting. Awesome. So we have arrows showing us where we are supposed to be going. There we go. I like these roots that are hanging.
What is that?
What is that, Kobe?
Yeah, ants.
A huge number of ants are heading somewhere. So if you're not careful and you stand there, the next thing you will know.
And what do you call these ants?
I love that about the birds. The voice of them chirping and tweeting. I love that. And there's the sound of the river. The river that we saw while we were crossing. And there's a, I don't know if you can see it, there's a cobweb here. Mr. Spider, it's with the spider, is there? It's with the spider. It's there.
What happens when a spider bites a mouse? Guys, something interesting is coming. Something interesting is coming.
So, dakika moja tu ya thumbnail. I love this tree, how it's growing. And here is the river. The sound of nature is so relaxing and soothing, guys. I just love it. I just love. Look at nature. This branch has grown all the way down and it's climbing up again. Look, wow. Woo! Nature is something else. Guys, my camera is not doing justice, but guys, look at the beautiful side of nature and the feeling, the breeze is everything, guys. The breeze is everything. And it's relaxing to just listen at the sound. Wow. Thank God. I made it.
She's okay. Yay! There you go. That's the end.
Being right in the middle of nature, it feels amazing. It feels nice, guys. So we finished enjoying the amazing vibes of the river and the mini waterfalls there. So we are going to next. Guys, I hope you're enjoying the beautiful view here. Guys, the ambience and the breeze is super amazing. We are going on with the walk. Our aim is 10K, 10 kilometer. Guys, you know that is nothing to me. Remember that time when I was in Iten? Where is the source of champions? Remember how I ran for 400 kilometers? 400 kilometers. Kwani mini superhero.
400 kilometers, really?
400 meters. Yeah, so we are told to keep left. Keep left. The good.
You keep left, depending on
I ran when I went to Iten with with you guys. You remember? Iten. I ran with the athletes. So guys, you're watching an athlete incoming, an upcoming designated athlete. So 10 kilometers is nothing, means nothing to me. 10 kilometers is nothing to me. So let's go. Yeah, there's a bird there saying something. The crew is there. The crew is there coming down. Our lion is behind there. JW, Kobenata, and Lydia Simba. So we are going down the hill. Again, we're going down the hill. Let me show you. My camera from behind is very good, but the front one is a mess. I need to just come up with a way that I will be holding it so that the quality is the same all through. I don't like the blurry situation. Yeah, I like this tree. Look how it looks. So it's I think it fell down, but it has not given up, so it's going up. If a tree is not giving up, guys, after it has fallen, it's not giving up, it's going up. It's not giving up, it's just going up there. Whom's are we not to keep going? We should keep going.
People are tired. How many kilometers have you gone, you people?
Regardless, we move. Regardless, we move. Regardless, we're moving.
Let's keep.
Oh, they're calling. Oh my good God. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful nature. There's this stem that is it a branch? They look so nice. The river here is so quiet, it's so peaceful and quiet.
Deep waters are very calm. Times,
Yes.
you change your gender.
Guys,
You don't have to like.
I'm not ready to eat fair.
That's funny,
So guys
JW.
in Europe, in the US, in the
You can
Caribbean,
come and
when
change.
you come to Africa and go around this tree,
Sharpening iron. Do you want to
you
be a
just change your
woman?
gender. That is how we do it here.
Some said
To
you only
female.
have two genders.
And vice versa. After going around 7
Oh my
times.
goodness.
Some said you only
I just had that on
You can
another
only be male or
friend's
female.
place. So guys, this is a
Continue
different
Yeah,
tree.
let's continue.
It's a unique tree.
Your new one.
There are not many of the such. If you know the name of this tree, it goes way up
In my
there.
native language, we call it mokoi.
Ah, the same to us. The same to us. We share. The Kikuyu shares. We share the name.
No, I think this is.
As for the lady, is Wangoi.
That is not a very common name.
So guys,
Beautiful.
they said there is no rest for the wicked.
And then they say rest is for the wicked. We will rest in heaven. I like the sound of the leaves when we step on them.
I bet now we are
Yeah, we could be halfway through. Let's go, let's keep going. And we keep trail by these arrows. They keep us going and they tell us don't litter, keep the environment clean. If you take care of nature, nature will most definitely take care of you. Alright, let's keep going. Twende, let's keep going. There's the river down there, very steep. There we go. We're still going. So guys, I will give you a 360 of where we are at the moment, where we have reached. I think we are halfway, but this is how it looks. That is the surroundings. That is what is surrounding us. I like this glass, it's very big. This tree fell. Unfortunately, it's still here, so we have to. Here we go. Yes, we did 1 kilometer. We did 1 kilometer, guys. Let's keep going. Now that is encouraging when you see how far you've come. Just like in life, when you look back, see how far you've come. Be grateful and keep going, guys. Keep going. I'm telling you, this walk is worth it. It's worth it. Listen to the sounds of the birds. That's amazing. So we've just noticed that we have only gone for 1 kilometer, not kilometers. So yeah, and people are really walking. And really fast. So we need to pace up. We need to pace up as we walk, as we take our walk. We are still going, guys. We are still walking. Big shout out to a channel that I know, a walking channel. Bari Walking Exercise. Big up. You are very inspiring. Thank you. Yes, Kobenata.
Big up to David RT, Mom Patricia JK.
Yeah,
They like walking.
Yeah, amazing people. You are very inspiring when we see you taking those amazing walks. That is super inspiring.
I forgot to
big shout out
to Joyce.
Yeah, Joyce walks us around Manchester. Big shout out, brother Hadris.
Yes.
You're walking vlogs normally motivate us
Exactly.
so much. So here we go, guys. We are taking a walk, and we are taking a walk in a place in Karen, Nairobi, Kenya. It's called Oloolua Nature Trail. So we are surrounded with nature. We are surrounded with nature. Big shout out to all those people who take walks and inspire us by sharing them up on this platform. Mega love and shout out Barry Walking Exercise, Mama Patricia Jake, Hajways, and David Artia. Thank you guys.
Russia.
Our Kenyan brother in Russia. We were lost for some time, but I think we are back on the track. We are back on track. No, they've been directed. Let's just follow them. So we are back on track. We are back. We were lost for some time, but we are back on the trail. Somebody took out the arrows, the direction arrows on purpose, so we got lost. But yes, let's go. So guys, I think we have come to the end.
We need to go back.
No, I think we are supposed to follow this route.
We can't follow that one. We go like this
Yeah,
inside.
because behind me there is a road. That is a tarmac road you're seeing there.
Guys, we are like so lost.
So I think we are supposed to take this. We're supposed to take
So
this
lost.
route.
You can see the tarmac over there.
Yeah.
What is it?
So I think I bet we are using this route. We are supposed to use this route.
So we are going to use it's Anmora.
Let's see how it goes. Let's see if we are going to get lost. What do you think?
It's still an adventure.
What are the
I also
probabilities?
prefer getting lost.
What are the probabilities
So
of
that I
us?
can be found.
What are the probabilities of us getting lost? 5 out of 10.
I think 5.
Yeah,
In the right trail, huh?
I believe so.
I believe so.
Because it will add up to 10. 5.
Remember when we started going into the jungle, there were 2 routes. And we debated which one should we take.
So we took the right one.
Yeah.
Now we're taking the left.
Yeah, I'm thinking we shall
We're going.
assemble or whatever.
We'll go back to the same spot that we were at.
Those are 5 kilometers we've
I
done.
mean, we are doing like a 360.
Yeah, another 5. Going to be 10.
Look at these cute flowers.
Getting lost in the jungle. So if you're in Nairobi, these are activities that you can do
Yo.
over the weekend.
And you have to be careful because on the ground there are roots. So if you're not careful, you might hit your toes and fall. People also do cycling here. People also cycle here, as we saw on the poster earlier. I saw some people cycling around. We keep going. I think we will be on the spot that we started soon. We'll be going back to the spot where we started very soon. Let's keep going, guys. So when you have a moment, when you're off your daily routine, take some time to give yourself that walk. It's not everybody's favorite, but yes, it's important. It's paramount to take that refreshing walk. How sure are we are not?
So where are we going?
So this is the right track, right? I think it is this one.
Let's go like this. But there is a fallen tree here. No, let's
Is there a way here? There's no path here. I don't see any path here.
No,
There's no. This is a dead
I don't
end.
think we can do that.
This is a dead end.
Yeah, that's my end. I think let's go back.
Connect inside here and go to the other side. I think because of this tree which falls here. So I think
So guys, we are
there's
lost.
somewhere here.
We are lost. A lot of us are lost here.